Good morning students, class 10, and today we are going to do the concept for solving the exercise 8.2. For solving exercise 8.2, we must know the values of the trigonometric ratios for angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, just see it. So, we have to find out the values 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. And we have to find out for sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. This is for angle. Okay. So, this table I will just tell you how to form this table, and with that you have to learn this table also, because without the knowledge of this table you will not be able to solve the exercise 8.2. Okay. So, just see it. It is 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1, means sine 0 degree value is 0, sine 30 degree value is half, sine 45 it is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 degree value is root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 value is 1. Okay. Once you will write the value for sine, cos, just write it in a reverse order, means from 1, now root 3 upon 2, now 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. Okay. For finding the value of tan, just find out the sine upon cos. Okay. Sine upon cos, 0 upon 1s, 0 upon 1 means 0. When we will divide this, 2 is cancelled by 2, its answer will be 1 upon root 3. Same values, answer will be 1. 2 is cancelled by 2, root 3. 1 upon 0, if 0 comes in denominator, then that value is undefined. Okay. Okay, cosec. We all know that the cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, it means if it is 0, 0 upon 1, it means its value will be 1 upon 0, means undefined. 1 upon 2, reciprocal is 2 upon 1, its reciprocal is root 2, here 2 upon root 3 and 1 reciprocal is 1. In the same way, sec is the reciprocal of the values of cos. 1 reciprocal will be 1. Root 3 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 upon root 3. 1 upon root 2 reciprocal is root 2. 1 upon 2 reciprocal is 2 and 0. It means 0 upon 1, its reciprocal will be 1 upon 0, means undefined. Okay. Cot, its values we can have by the reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of 0, I had just told you, it will be undefined. Or 1, reciprocal of 0 means it is 0 upon 1, so it will be 1 upon 0. Okay. So, we can say it is actually 1 upon 0, so undefined. And 1 upon root 3, it will be root 3, 1 reciprocal is 1, root 3 reciprocal is 1 upon root 3. Undefined, undefined means 1 upon 0. So, its reciprocal will be 0 upon 1, means 0. Okay. So, I had made this table and you have to do the practice of making this table. Okay. First thing. Second thing, you have to learn the values, so that we will be able to do exercise 8.2 in a proper way. And I had just explained you how to see this table. If anyone asks you the value of cosec 60 degree, cosec 60 degree means just see the line 2 upon root 3. Okay. If anyone asks you the value of tan 45, so see it is for 0, it is for 30, it is for 45. Yes. So, tan 45 value is 1. Okay. So, in this way you have to see this table. So, do this work in your fair copies in a proper way. Okay. Thank you.